Good morning, students. Today, let us see how to switch between forms. Some students have asked this question when we have given a project. We can make many forms, but how to move between the forms? But first of all, I would like to tell you how to make additional forms. If you can go over here to the Solution Explorer, like for example, if you go over here, like for example, this is running now. Go to the Windows application, right click, you will go to add, click on Windows form. You are going to create a Windows form because that's what the form we are going to develop. So you can see here, before there were two forms, now we have a third form, form 1, form 2, form 3. For your project, what you have to do is that you have to go to the not to the Solution Explorer, Windows application, add, you will give Windows form, and you will choose a Windows form and you will add. Then again you will go to the Windows application, right click, add, you will create a Windows form and you will create 5 forms. This is your requirement of your project. There are 5 forms that you have to do. So you will design your 5 forms according to what you would like to have. But now I am not going to use the form 3, 4, 5. I just show you how to create 5 forms in one project. Okay, now I will show you the form 1 design. Can you see here? Design of form 1, design of form 2, form 3 design, form 4 design, and form 5 design. I already write some code for form 1 and form 2. That's why this coding window is appearing here. I go to the form 1. I place one label here just to make it sure. You have to design your form according to what you want. But now I want to demonstrate to you how to switch from form 1 to form 2 and from form 2 to form 3. How to switch? I am going to show you. Now this is form 1. I place two buttons. One button is exit button and the other one is switch to the other form. But if you don't want to give it as switch to the other form, I will change the name as switch to second form. I will give the name as switch to second form. I am giving a name here, switch to second form. So that how to switch to the second form. Now we are in which form? Can you see here? It is form 1. I want to move to this form. So for this one, we have seen the code before many number of times. Me.close means this form will close. So it's not a concern for us. Now I want to go to the second form. So what I should do? Form 2 dot show. I want to show that when you click on this button, the second form will show. And I want to close the form which is current. So we use the name me. Me refers to the current form. So me dot hide. This is the code. Now let me run it to show you what will happen. Now if I give here switch to the second form, it goes to the second form. Okay, maybe you are not sure what I had in the form 2. I stop the code. See, I stop the code now. I want to see the design. This is the second form. This is the form 1. This is the form 2. And in the form 3, I just will put here, for example, I want to add one label. In the label, I would like to put welcome. For example, I want to put it as welcome. I want to put a label here and I want to give a name welcome. So I just write it here welcome. See, I write it here welcome. And then what I do is that I am going to put the font as here. Can you see the font here? I'm just trying to put the font here as bigger one. So I make it as like a bigger one, 24. Okay, so that you know this is font, this is form 3. I have only this one in the form 3, not font 3, form 3. Now you see here I go to the 2. I am going to write the code for this button. So when I click this button, what I want form 3 dot show. I want to show the form 3. Me dot hide. Me means what? The current form, which is the form 2, will be hidden. Okay. Now I again go to the form 2 because I am writing the code for this one. I am writing here form me.close. I can write here me.close. Me means the current form. Okay. Now I go to form 3. I have the message welcome. Maybe if I want another button, I keep a button here. I name the button as switch to form 1. For example, switch to form 1. Okay. Now here I am going to write a code to switch to form 1. So what I write? Form 1 dot show, because whenever I want to show a form, I write that form, and I write here me dot hide. You can write hide, not close. Me dot hide. Look at the design. I give me dot hide the same code in the form 1 also. I have given the same one. Now see, this is form 1, form 2, form 1, form 2, the design of the form 2. Okay, everything is available here, but you don't see it. Now for example, if I go to the form 1, you will see the form 1 design. This is the form 2 design. This is the form 3 design. Okay, this is the form 4 design, nothing, empty. Form 5 empty. Now I am only using the form 1, 2, 3. So when I open form 1, that is the default form. Then I have a button to switch to form 2. Then I have a switch to form 3. From 3 I want to go back to 1. So form 4 and 5 I just show you here, but I am not using it. I wanted to show you how your project should look like. Now let us run this project to see how it works. First you get the form 1. This is the first form which is going to open. By default form 1 is going to open. Now I click the button switch to second form. Now it has moved to the second form. Can you see here? It has moved to the form 2. Now I am giving here switch to other form. It goes to the form 3. Now I give here switch to form 1. It goes to the first form. I hope this clears your doubt about how to navigate across forms in Visual Basic. So let me save this file. I am saving it as navigation of forms. Navigation of forms for your understanding. I am using only 3 forms here. Similarly, you can use for all the 5 forms which you are going to use in your project. I hope this clears your question on moving between the forms. Thank you.